Hi all, welcome back. So today is a Sunday, 20th November 2022, and in this video, let us try to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and see how they are performing, and let us try to predict the move that it can happen tomorrow. That is on Monday. So let's try to see that. So let me go to the charts directly. So this is Nifty 5-minute time frame chart. And if you watch my last video, which I posted on 17th November. So in that video, I plotted these two levels. And so before that, I will go to the daily time frame and see how it is behaving there. So daily time frame, yes, we are seeing a nice rally towards the upside direction, and it is trading very closer to the all-time high level, that is 18,500 or 18,600 level. So it is trading closer to it, but still there is some move still pending over there. And overall, at higher level, what we are seeing is, though the move is here in this place, if I zoom here, you can understand it clearly. So in this particular zone, the buying is not very strong actually. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 days of range is very low. It mostly traded between 18,250 to 18,450 roughly. So only 200 points range only traded in 4 days. So that is not looking very good. But still, one positive thing that we can observe here is on the last trading session, that is on Friday, 18th November, what we are seeing is uh, there was a selling happened on that day, but by the end of the day, they managed to close above the support level. That is the support which we are seeing here is 18,280 level, something somewhere around that. But finally, one thing that we can tell is the selling, whatever has happened initially, first half of the day, it got completely bought again. At least they maintain to keep the support level still active, and the closing is very good. So here we are seeing a good spike below the body of the candle. Okay, this is the body of the candle, and sorry, this is body of the candle, and spike below that is a good sign for the buyers. Okay, so last trading session, though there is a selling pressure, closing is in favor of the buyers. So that is what we are seeing. So we have to wait uh, whether will it continue buying from there or not, or will it spend some time in this zone, or will they have a selling pressure again tomorrow. Okay, so let us in this daily time frame only this particular day. I mean, last Friday was the day where it traded for the huge range, right? So even after getting that huge range of movement, buyers managed to get their support. So that is a good sign we are seeing in the daily time frame. So then let us go to 5-minute time frame and see the intraday movements also. So yeah, these two levels I have plotted because we are seeing it very clearly, right? This is the level where it got rejected in the past, and then it tried to break that level. Nifty tried to break that level multiple times, but they failed. If you see right from 15th November, though the closing is above that level, immediately on 16th November it fell down, and on the same day it tried to go up from there, but it failed. And on 17th November also it failed, and then after it started falling continuously, and it went below the support level. So this is what we are seeing in the lower time frame, that is 5-minute time frame. Coming to the opinion, I mean, here is one thing is Nifty is most likely trying to go towards the all-time high level. And one positive thing that I was mentioning in the daily time frame and here also, there was a selling has happened here because huge selling has happened, but still the closing is very much above the support level. So one thing we can tell here is, if tomorrow, okay, if tomorrow in the intraday movement, if Nifty gets the support at this level again, or even if it falls also, it should come back up again. Okay, one case is they should get the support here only if it falls to this level, or in worst case, even if it falls, it has to try and get up above this level immediately, and then it started to take the support from there. So this level is going to be very key decider for the Nifty now. So if Nifty gets the support at this level, then there is more chances that it may try to go up again. Otherwise, it may stay or it may fall down from there. Uh, Maybe they may stay here also, because one more level I will plot here, which is the next support level. If in case if Nifty fell down, or if it continues to sell there, what happens? This is the support I want to plot, because we are seeing that this level has given resistance here. Here, if I zoom, you can see it clearly. Here also it got resistance, and here also, even though there was a gap up opening above that level, but again it fell down. And again, here also we are seeing some sort of support and resistance on this level. So this will be the key level. So now what will happen here is, if Nifty come below this previous day low, okay, this is the previous day low, right? If it goes below this previous day low, then it may even fall down to this support. This is the next key support for the Nifty, right? So this is the day low, previous day low, that line which I've plotted here. And if in case if it falls below that, then there are more chances that it may go or fall even more towards the 18,168 level, or roughly 18,150 level. And if in case if they don't fall below that level, okay, if they don't fall below this level, then there is more two chances here. One case is tomorrow they may try to go down, and they may spend some time here tomorrow, okay, and immediately they may go up. This is one case. Another case is they may stay here only for tomorrow, and they will be uh, giving no clue for the Tuesday. I mean, we cannot say that on Tuesday what will happen. So based, if buyers want to be make the Nifty move up continuously, then they should not make Nifty to spend much time here. So this is what my expectation, this move for tomorrow. So this level, that is 18,280 level, will be the very important level for the Nifty. So a flat opening or a gap down opening will be somewhat difficult for the buyers tomorrow. Another case is if it has a good opening, I mean good gap up opening, then there are more chances that either they may go continuously up, or they may fall again to take the support or retest the support, and they may keep going. So again, this level is very, very important for now, but we have to wait and see how the gap openings will be, and even after opening, how the first 5-minute or 10-minute candles will be moving. Based on their move, we can guess the rest of the day movement also. So this is what we are seeing. So selling is very difficult in the Nifty at the moment, and only selling zone which I am seeing here is this small zone that is around 40 points only. So 40 points is the only minor zone for the confident selling. Otherwise, selling in any place in this zone is very much risky. We don't know at what point of time buyers will come in and take it away from the selling side. So this particular zone is very much danger for the sellers. So I can suggest that, even though if you are seeing any selling pressure, or even though if you are seeing any downward movement, I suggest to avoid it, because this is very much a buying zone. As you're seeing here also, this level, if Nifty is above this level, there is more chances that it may go up to that level again. It fell down, it went up again. So, and when closing of the previous day also, it's above that level. So this is very important. So this zone is very much risky for the selling, but still we have to wait and see how it behaves in this particular zone. And this is a minor zone, 40-point zone is favorable to the sellers, and they can be somewhat more confident to take the selling position, and they can target up to 18,160 level, roughly 18,150 level. So overall, at higher picture, what we can say is Nifty is in the buyer's control still. Okay, Nifty is in buyer's control, and selling is also very risky at the moment until unless it will call this. Otherwise, wait for the chance or wait for the uh, position which to be on the buying side only, not on selling side. So even though if you're getting I mean, if you're even though if you're seeing a selling downward movement, don't get decisions or don't take decisions immediately to take the selling position. So just avoid those kind of sellings for now. So be on the positive, the buying side only, and wait patiently to take the buy position. So this is what we are seeing in the Nifty. So at a higher level, buyers are very controlled now. So we have to wait and see how it opens tomorrow and how it behaves during the day. And coming to the Bank Nifty chart, so Bank Nifty chart also have plotted these three levels in the last video, analysis video. And at one daily time frame, we are seeing that it is already trading above the all-time high zone or all-time high level. Actually, it was all-time high was 41,790 or 41,800 level. And now it is trading all the way above that level, and it is trying to make all-time new all-time record high. So and that is what we are seeing in the daily time frame. But in the lower time frame, what we are seeing here is these three levels we have plotted, that this is support it has given, and the next mid support or mid resistance, because if it falls down, it behaved as a resistance, a mild resistance, and again they immediately went above that level and they closed it. So here also what we are seeing is the closing is very much controlled to the buyer. I mean, it is favorable to the buyers at the moment. And even though we are seeing a selling here also, buyers managed to bring it up again in the right time, and they did not allow the sellers to take away completely, and they did not allow the sellers to bring the Bank Nifty down to the support. So that is a good sign for the buyers still. And so those who are expecting that retracement to the all-time high level. So some people or some traders, new traders, may be expecting that this is an all-time level, all-time high level area, and it went above that level, and it is almost 1 to 3 for 1 week of duration has happened above that level. So there is a chance of retracement to this level again to retest the support, and they will go up. So this will be some opinion for the new traders basically, but what we are seeing is, though there is a selling here, I mean, though it went below the support level here, but buyers again they took it up. So that is what we have to focus on here. So at this moment, we cannot tell that it will come down to this all-time high zone again in previous all-time high zone, or it will retest it or not. We cannot tell. As we have seen, as we are seeing in the Nifty here also, previous day low is getting to be very important for tomorrow's move. So if this is the previous day low, right, that is last Friday low, and this is support. From here only they took support and they moved up continuously, and they managed to close above that this support level, that is 42,330. Again, as I mentioned in the Nifty, so if until Bank Nifty comes below this level, we cannot expect that it will fall to this support, or even it may fall to this 41,800 level. So until this Bank Nifty comes down below this previous day low, that is on Friday's low, selling is very risky. So at any point of time, though we are seeing a selling, there is a chance that they may come in and move, give a sharp buying activity at any point of time. So here also, don't be on the selling side until Bank Nifty falls below the last trading session low, and that low is around 42,220 level. So here also completely in the buyer's control at the moment. This particular zone, at any point of time, there is a chance that buyers may again enter at any point of time, though you are seeing a selling again, because last session it was completely in the first half of the session was completely selling selling side move only. So the fall is also very sharp fall. So don't see or don't expect that tomorrow if it falls again, it will fall in the same manner. Okay, so don't expect that. And taking the selling is also very much risky at the moment. So wait for the buying option only. Wait for the good chance to take the buy position, not the sell position. And if in case maybe a global news or anything, if in case bank nifty opens below or gap down opening, and if it breaks it immediately in the first 5 minute or 10-minute candle, if it breaks this previous day low, don't take immediately sell position. Don't take immediately. Wait and see how it is behaving, because there is a huge move or huge space is there for the sellers. So it is now the previous day low is 42,200, and if that breaks, the next support is 42,000 level. So there is a huge gap here. So wait and see how it is behaving, even though if it is coming down immediately during the starting of the day. So just wait for some time and see how it is behaving, how buyers are reacting for that move. Are they trying to go up again or not? Then only you can plan the selling option, because uh, because already buyers are there here at this level, right? So on last trading session only, we are seeing that even though sellers are very strong, they were unable to bring the bank nifty down. So that means in this zone is a demand is there. So particularly in this zone, whatever we are highlighting here, it is a demand is there. You're seeing it in the last trading session also. It was shown by the buyers. So be very careful. And if during the day, if they try to go up, even if it is falling down, if they try to go up and the attempt was very good, and even after good attempt also if they fail, then okay, you can take it a selling position. But at the moment, here also buyers are in complete control, and there is a chance that like they may keep continuing to go upside. So as I mentioned, these three levels in the last video, these three levels are still active, I mean for now. So again, 42,500 level is very important resistance, because this is the level, or this is a zone, this is or new all-time high zone, I can say like that. It's not exact, we can at least say that this zone is a all-time new all-time high. So this is very important now, and this is a very important support for bank nifty. And the next, if in case if it falls continuously tomorrow also, then there is a chance that it may fall to 42,000. So nifty, we have got two levels. Okay, and here we got three levels. So same, whatever the levels which we have plotted in the last video, it's still those levels are active. And based upon the opening, tomorrow opening, and movement during the day, we have to plan accordingly to take the intraday position. So I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you and for your analysis. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.